Well, crimes involving young people are a major concern across the state and in Baltimore City. And even as we celebrate progress in the city's overall homicide and crime rates coming down, Baltimore City Police tell WJZ 371 juveniles have been arrested so far this year. And soon, we know, school will be out and young people will have more free time. So we're joined by the state's attorney for Baltimore City, Ivan Bates. Thank you again for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Well, I think overall, people are encouraged by these latest crime numbers that say things are safer in terms of homicides, et cetera. But if you talk to people in the city, and I live in the city and do, the number one thing they're worried about is juvenile crime.
Exactly.
Their perception is it's out of control and nothing happens to these kids. Is that an adequate perception?
Well, your perception is reality. And so if you're feeling that, then yes, that's what's going on. And that is why we're going to sit down on May 20th and we're having a solutions pack. It'll be at Huber Memorial Church. And there we're going to sit down with the community to talk about what's going on with the juvenile crime, to talk about what you're seeing in your neighborhoods of juveniles. It's not all about locking up young people, but they have to understand they'll be held accountable. We have to give young people programs. Is DJS, they're doing their job? Are we, the prosecutors, doing our job? And what are you, the members of the community? What are you seeing? What's happening? Baltimore City Police Department will be there. You'll have the school police that will be there. You'll have City Council member Mark Conaway, who's the chair of the Public Safety Committee. He'll be there. This is about us as a community coming together to deal with the issue that's here before us.
What about repeat offenders? I think people have, once again, the perception that these young people commit a crime, they're slapped on the wrist, they go out, next weekend they commit another crime. Is that, again, a fact?
Well, unfortunately it is. What happens, the juvenile system, when the police arrest a young person, they don't come into the adult system. They don't come to our office. They don't go straight to the court. They go to DJS. And DJS makes a decision what they'll do with the young person. Will they release the young person on electronic home detention, or what they're going to do? After they've held the paperwork for a couple of days, I think 15 now under the law, they may or may not send it to our office. So by the time our office gets it, by the time they schedule the arraignment, then it could be 30, 60, 90 days from the incident. So that's why you may see the young person coming out over and over again.
Okay. We have to go, but once again, give us the date and the time and the place for this town hall.
The date will be next Tuesday, May 20th, Huber Memorial Baptist Church, 5700 Lock Raven Boulevard in Baltimore City.
And everyone is invited to come to this.
Everyone's invited, please.
All right, if you're worried about juvenile crime, show up. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate it. Derek.